Alright guys, sorry about that. My other GoPro died, so I'm back on the session now. And all you really need for this installation is just like a trim removal kit. This one I got from Amazon, and I'll put the link to that in the description. I'm using this one right here since it has like a stepped lip, and this one's a little thinner. And then it's very easy to pop these out. The OEM ones, you're gonna come from the side facing the front of the car. You're just gonna slide it right in there and just gently pop it right out. It's a very simple axis. And then when you get here, what you're gonna do is twist counterclockwise, and you can see, wow, how bad that bolt had been, completely burnt out. So I'm just gonna remove that bulb. Give me 1 second so I can put the camera down. Alright, so now all you can do is just pull out the bulb. As you can tell, this car has 76,000 miles and this bulb's never been replaced. So it's a little tough to get in there. Yeah, you can see how bad that was. Clean off any excess debris that's in there. Okay. So this is the packaging that I got sent from Oracle. Out. As you can tell, you can't even tell the strip from certain angles, but you can see it's right there. I just wanted a different route with paint match, just because everyone else I've seen normally goes with tinted on black cars, since you can't really tell, and it'll save you a couple bucks. But I saw my friend already had a tinted one. RP Productions, he already did a tinted one, so I just want to be a little different and do a paint matched. So all you're gonna do is just connect this where the bulb used to be. Just make sure it's Okay, as you see, when the new ones come, they don't come with the clip that supports it in place. So you're gonna get a pliers and you're gonna pull on this tab to remove this off. And you insert it like this. Just gonna put some pressure into it. Alright, so I did the other side already. What I figured out is that when Oracle, I guess, painted these side markers, they got a bit overspray right here. So what I did, I just got like a small like steel brush I have from when I do like brake jobs, and I just start brushing away. Make sure you get full metal exposure. Now you're not gonna get that connection to turn the lights on. So I just kept doing this, and just for like 2 minutes. Make sure everything was cleaned up, and I'll get back to that later off camera. And then also in here, you can see there's a little bit of corrosion. There was also like a little piece of battery acid or light acid, I guess, from when the other bulb went out. So I just blew that out and I brushed inside there too, and I was able to work. So I'll get right back to it when I'm done with that. Sometimes, I'm not sure if you guys ever noticed, these things are a little too tight, and if they don't pop up a little bit, they might not contact the source inside. So we'll see if this fixes the problem. Alright, I'm just gonna keep brushing a little bit inside and see if that helps. If not, I'll have to contact Oracle. Alright, so I'm just gonna unlock the card, check if it turns on. Alright, so it turns out this one had a lot more corrosion in it, and that's the only reason. I thought I had a faulty side markers, but the only thing is you just have to keep cleaning it. As you can tell, these bulbs are in terrible condition. So after just brushing those and the tips here, well, from the overspray, you shouldn't have any problem. Remember to transfer over your clips from your OEM side markers, and you just pop them right in place. Okay. As you can tell, extremely clean rag. These will look just like the taillights. Gives it a nice touch. Again, when you lock it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna give this mod an extremely positive review. I'll say like 4 out of 5. The only thing is it's a little costly, I guess you could say, especially if you go the painted route. It's up to you. You could go paint match. Personally, of course, if you have a different color besides black, of course you should go paint match, because if not, it might look a little odd with the black if you get tinted. But if you get black, if you have a black car, you can either go tinted or ghosted. The only other reason I also got this one, there was also an option. You could have this tinted, and you could have this paint match and a light tint here, or you could have it tinted and you could see the clear LED. But I didn't want that look. It might make it brighter, but as you can tell, I'm more of a like clean look on my car. And yeah, I mean, you might not notice it yourself, but I could like picture like this line just flows with the car overall. Have a couple other custom parts coming in. It's gonna be for the engine bay, so just waiting on those, and catch you guys next time. If you liked it, please leave a like, comment any questions you have about this mod or any other mod, or questions about the car in general, and see you next time.